AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUDUSD, or this can be used for nzdusd as well. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we have, I think, let me see. Yes, we have made a new high, so the trend is up. Coming back to daily time frame, so in daily we will take a pullback. So now we are going down. I think we will touch the EMA rejected and then we'll go long. So for some time we will be going down and then we'll continue the uptrend after the rejection comes from the EMA. 4 hour is what? 4 hour is again, this is the rejection here. So if you can see, this has been rejected multiple times. Rejection, rejection, rejection. So it has to go down. Okay. Now I will not, in this case, I will look into the daily time frame only, because my expectation is that daily will come down until the EMA, until this price, as you can see here. So if you are a scalper, look for shorts. Otherwise, wait for a few days, let the setup build, and the price will reject the EMA, then blue candle, and then you go long. Okay, will take some time. So short time, go down shorts. Otherwise, wait for the setup to occur, and we'll see you in next videos. Till then, subscribe, like, join my free Telegram. All the links are below the video.